Today we will talk about the valency. What is valency and how can we find out the valency? There is some misconception about the student because they have the rep definition always. Valency is defined as the combining power of an element with other element. So there is a students have query about what is valency, what we call about the combining power. It is actually student all element when it is in ground state or you can say isolated state or atomic state, they have zero valency, right? So when they have the zero valency, means like sodium metal, if we have, then sodium has the zero valency, but most of the time we heard sodium has +1 valency. What does it mean? So that query needs some unwrapped definitions. So I'll share with you some unwrapped definition. Means valency actually is the number of electron or electrons which an atom loses or gain or share. We can say anything, right? So which an atom can loses, gain or share to complete its outermost shell or valence shell. It is known as valency. So valency is a number of electron which an atom can lose, gain or share. It depends on the condition. For example, if we have sodium has 11 electron which can be placed according to rule, like goes in the first K shell, then L, then M. So K2, L8, N, M1. So it has 1 electron in outermost shell. When it loses 1 electron to complete its outermost shell, because it needs 7 electron, it's quite difficult to get the 7 electron. So it loses its 1 electron and acquire the complete outermost shell. Now it is become K2L8. Now this sodium has 1 valency because it loses 1 electron, so it has 1 valency. So now see that some combining power, we call that one, okay na? So from power of sodium with any other atom which it want to combine, which need or require 1 electron to complete its outermost shell, then we call this is combining power. So sodium, when written as a metal or element, it has 0 valency, but when it reacts with other element, it loses 1 electron, same as chloride has gain 1 electron to complete its outermost shell because it has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Oxygen has 6 electrons in outermost shell. It gains 2 electrons to complete its outermost shell. Aluminium has 3 electrons in outermost shell. So it required 5 electrons mostly. So it's difficult to gain 5 electrons. So it loses its 3 electrons and get +3 valency. Mostly valency is written as a number and sign is afterward. But when we talk about the oxidation is similar to the valency, but in that case oxidation number sign is in the first and then number is followed, right? So now see the helium also I have written over here. Helium is group 18. So it has outermost complete shell, that's it's no require any type of electron